B58 forward. Oh, fuck. Oh yeah, I'm about to get pulled over. YouTube! Welcome back to the vlog, gang. We in traffic with it today. And of course, New York traffic is always caused by road work where no one's actually doing the road work. I don't know if you guys could hear my exhaust. It's pretty, obviously it's stock, so you don't hear it too much. But when I'm in Sport Plus, and it sounds good. I haven't heard Sport Plus in a while just because I had my tire pressure light on, so it wouldn't let me go into Sport Plus. But it sounds good. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear it. It has like a little hum to it. You know, it has like a mini burble. Nothing too crazy, you know? Come on. I was doing some launches. I see an M6 up there. I don't know if he wants to smoke. But the B58 that could is with all the smokes. Smoky. It's a little party. No way. Is that who I think it is? I keep seeing people that I know, whether it's like car community people. I won't say know of, but if that's who I think it is, I know him. And I seen a G80 sitting outside someone's house, I don't know, and that's someone I actually know. I think that's B58. Is that Almighty? No, that's not. That's not. I was bamboozled. I was bamboozled. I thought that was M6 and it wasn't. Cutting up in traffic. You know it's your girl. Relax. Miss 528. Are we gonna crash or? That's a New York way of saying get out of here. No one wants to let you go. Come on. We're on the same team. We're going to the same destination. What is up? I think I might have to order a downpipe when I get home. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Install that myself because I spent $1,000 on tools. I was trying to do my headlights in another video. If you haven't, go check that out. But every 5 seconds I needed something, and I obviously wasn't prepared for the tools that I need. You would think I would search up how to, you know, like uninstall or install this. So I wasn't prepared, you know, for my own DIY. And sure enough, I went to like Harbor Freight, I went to Home Depot, I went to, what the fuck is that other place? AutoZone, like 10 times throughout that one day. And I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna invest, I'm gonna purchase everything I would need, from ratchets to sockets to everything. I keep forgetting I'm in sport. But yeah, I purchased everything. That way I would need it again. I got a jack, I got a torque, what is it? Torque wrench, battery powered torque wrench, like I got everything. That way I could take off my wheels, do anything I would need. Yeah, what it is. I don't know, where should I go? Boom. I don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds like Gen 158. I mean Gen 158. Gen 1 B58. I feel like it's still top tier. However you want to look at it. I feel like if you do it right, I don't know. Some would say it's still better than the Gen 2, but hey, you know? I love that sound. I'm sure the Gen 2 sounds the same, probably better. Oh my god, come on. Come on. Has like little mini burbles. I've never had a car that had like burbles. Actually, I have the M3. What am I saying? And my M4. What am I saying? My M4 is my M3 wasn't competition and it was manual, but it had a couple like burbles. But my M4 is a competition, and for the people that do know, it has the burble like automatically in it, so you don't have to get a tune or anything crazy. But yeah, man. I'm near the pond, so it smells like poopies. Oh wow. Oh. Mustang. Yeah, these Mopar or Nopar, however you guys say that, I know nothing about them. Like, couldn't tell you what's the difference between, I mean, I could tell you what's the difference between an RT and a SXT. I know that I do know, but like, I don't know, they're like, I don't want to disrespect you guys and say they're the same, but they're kind of like the same. They've been the same since like 2010. They look the same, sound the same. You might get a couple upgrades. They're easy to steal. I don't understand that. That's one thing I do not get. Like, these guys are spending 70K for Trackhawks that are like the easiest cars to steal. Like, easier than like Honda Civics. This 5 Series want the smoke? Want the smokes? I honestly thought that was like a detective in that car. That's why I got silent. Wish it was rear-wheel drive so I could really push it to the limit. Whoa. B58 Ford. Oh, fuck. Oh yeah, I'm about to get pulled over. Oh yeah, he's about to get me. Oh yeah, it's clipped for me. Nassau County cops are like the fucking worst. And he's gonna wait down there because he's a fucking... I hate motherfuckers. Oh my god. I bet you he's gonna wait. I guarantee you. Oh, yes. Yes! He went up there. Like Lil Durk said, aha. Alright, YouTube. Gang, I'm cutting it to a minimum. I'm gonna get some grub. Nobody uses that word anymore, but you feel me? I'm gonna get some grub and I'm gonna say it proudly. And if you feel a way about it, I don't care. Still don't care. Nah, but appreciate you, gang. I'm out of here. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay stay tuned, right? Stay in tune, and I'll see you in another banger.